Tuturuan ko kayong gumamit ng gel liner. Ito yung ginagamit kong gel liner. This is from Bobbi Brown. A cheaper option would be the LA Girl one, which is available in black and brown. Tama, mas madaling gamitin ng pencil, mas madaling gamitin ng liquid, pero may benefits kasi yung mga gel liner natin. Una, nakokontrol nyo yung opacity. So, pwedeng light pigment lang and then you can also make it darker kasi nga it's gel or cream. Pangalawa, it's also longer lasting. Sometimes, depending on the formula, kasi it dries down matte and powdery. Anyway, half of the battle when it comes to applying your gel eyeliners is ensuring that you have the perfect brush for it. So this is an example of a brush. This is cheap lang. I think this is from Glad King and it's really thin. You can also use, yeah, it is from Glad King. You can also use something that's like an eyebrow brush, but it also needs to be super duper thin. Marami kayong options for this. So paano nga ba ito ginagamit? Ngayon, ang mga gel liners natin, katulad ng mga pomades, nagda-dry sila. So importante na i-check nyo muna kung dry na sila or hindi. If they do become dry, you can just put a few drops of your contact lens solution, mga 2 to 3 drops lang. Tapos i-mix nyo lang sila with a spatula and then it should be good as new. So one of the reasons why a lot of makeup artists use gel liners is because versatile din sila. So pwede silang pang tight line, pwede silang pang detail, pwede silang pang wing, pwede silang pang lash line. Ang dami mong sat-sat, Coach Abby. I know. Okay, let's do this. So let's pick it up with our brush. Ayan, hope you can see it. Just do this and make sure na the tips of the brush are coated. Parang kumbaga, itatrato nyo sila na parang pencil. Pero dahil solid form siya, meron siyang tendency na magkalat-kalat. So, kailangan nyo siyang i-flatten sa likod ng kamay nyo. Ganyan, i-flatten nyo siya ng konti. Nakakatulong din to warm up the product a little bit so that it glides on smoother. Now, just like your application using liquid eyeliner, what you want to do is to map it out first. So, i-determine nyo muna kung nasaan yung tungkil na tinatawag ng wing ninyo. And then, you kind of go heavier on the inner corner and then you go lighter as you go outwards. So, parang ginaganyan nyo lang siya. Yan. And the good thing about gel liners is you can start with really light pigment and you can correct them easier. Now, after you've done that, kunyari na-establish nyo na kung gano'n yung kahaba gusto yung wing ninyo, ayan, ang ganda ang nipis. Take note lang pala na kapag gumagamit kayo ng mga ganito, over time, bubuhag-hag siya. And some people put lash glue on it and then squeeze it so that it becomes thin again. But I would suggest you just get a new one. And then, after that, just connect it there and then blend it towards the inner corner. Tapos after nyan, get more product and then do the same. Flatten it at the back of your hand and then go ahead and draw on the lash line. We're going to deal with how dark this is later on. Idediretso ko lang muna to hanggang dito sa loob. Okay, so we've established the shape. Now we're gonna have to intensify it. So that's the beauty of cream products. You can take some more. Ayan, kuha pa kayo ulit and then just if needed, only if needed, heat it up again. Ang ingay. Sorry nasa tabi ng EDSA yung bahay ko. Nakapajama pa ako. Okay. This is our new series. Pajama tutorials. Okay. And then, go ahead and intensify the pigment. And then, dito sa part na to, kayo na magde-decide kung gano'n nyo siya kagusto ka-dark. By the way, maganda din tong product na to for smoky eyeliner looks. This is what I like to do on my eye, by the way. So, ito yung pinaka-dark na area. Tapos, this area is like just gray. And then, dito sa inner corner is also just really light. But of course, you have the option to darken this pa. So, just go ahead and darken it as you go. And that's it. That's how you use a gel liner. This can be a very powerful tool, guys. Ayan. Lalo na kung oily yung lids ninyo, this is a great option. I hope you learned something today.